Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. All times are Eastern Time. We do have a busy week this week. We'll start in our trade room Monday at 8 a.m. for Empire State Manufacturing. We'll be back at 11:30 for the NOPA Crush report. No trade room at 10 p.m., but we'll be watching Chinese retail news and industrial production and their unemployment rate. Tuesday at 2 a.m., no trade room, but we'll be watching and keeping an eye on the British jobs report, the claimant count change, they call it. That it should have a DMM. And then Tuesday, our first trade room is 5:40 a.m. for Home Depot earnings. We'll be back at 8 a.m. for core retail sales and Canada CPI. The core retail sales is our free stream of the week on YouTube. 10 a.m. we'll be watching business and retail inventories, no trade room. Tuesday back at 4 p.m. for the API crude oil report, and then 9:15 for the Australia Wage Price Index, which is a family money trade. Wednesday morning, we start at 6:10 a.m. for Target earnings. We'll be back at 8 a.m. for building permits and housing starts, 10 a.m. for crude oil inventories, 12:30 p.m. for the 20-year bond auction, Wednesday at 3:45 p.m. for Cisco's earnings, and we'll finish the day at 9:15 p.m. in the trade room for Australia's employment jobs report. Thursday at 6:45 a.m. we start in the room for Walmart's earnings. 8 o'clock we'll be back for unemployment claims and Philly Fed, and then two final events of the week, 9:30 a.m. existing home sales and natural gas storage. Friday, there are no trade rooms, but if you're a discretionary trader, FOMC Chair Powell is speaking at 11 a.m. You know that's going to move the market. So thanks for watching the video. It's a busy week, even though there's not a lot going on Friday. So make your way into the trade room and learn all about appointment-based trading and take a lot of these trades with us. We've had some awesome trades over the past couple of weeks. See you in the trade room. Leigh Goldstein signing out.